Scorpio, this is your September second half reading, and this is a general reading. It might be related to your love life or your career, whatever is prominent in the second part will be different in the card. It is also a yes or no reading, so if you have any question in your mind, just ask this question. I will also try to tell the signs that are associated with the reading, so that it is easier for you to understand whether the reading is for you or not. And I do this for all the cards. So we have Queen of Cups and the Hierophant and Six of Wands. Okay, so this is a Leo, Cancer, Taurus energy in the card, very prominently Leo, and Taurus very strong energy. We have also Scorpio and Pisces, and now what is happening is you are having a very beautiful nurturing energy with you. You have this feeling of kindness and being there for everyone, or this might also be the person that you're dealing with. They have this kind of energy where they want to make everybody happy and satisfied, and they want to work for them, they want to make things right. But I strongly feel like this is your energy, and you are that kind of a person who is filled with kindness and love and respect and emotions for everyone. So what is happening right now is someone is recognizing your talent. Okay, so this person could either be with respect to your love life or your career, but your talent has been recognized by someone, and they are observing you from a distance, and they are loving the vibe, the energy that you are reflecting, that the energy that you are radiating everywhere, and how you change every person with your love and emotions, and they have become a fan of that energy of yours. So what is happening is right now this energy of yours is going to land you up in a very successful position, in a very fulfilling position. You might get if you are looking for a job offer, you are going to get that because your boss is looking. If you are looking for a marriage proposal, you are going to get that because the certain someone who understands how beautiful you are from the inside out is going to notice that, and it's going to approach you. This second half of September is all about the recognition and victory and wish fulfillment. So if you were in dilemma, if your efforts are being noticed or not, if anybody is going to recognize your kindness, or you're going to be rewarded for the love and compassion you have for others, and the hard work that you put in, the motherly energy that you have, the right person has recognized that, and they are going to approach you, and this will be a permanent thing. If it is about a job, then this is going to be a permanent job. You are going to have a lot of success and a lot of growth in this job. Your efforts will be recognized. And if it is about marriage, I'm strongly getting that marriage energy or a commitment energy. So somebody wants to have that kind of aura in their life, the vibrant energy, that motherly feeling that they be taken care of by you. They want the love that you give to everyone. They want that love for themselves, and they are going to come to you with an offer for a commitment, for a long-term relationship, a long-term bond, maybe also marriage, because this is a very traditional way of saying. So I would say that it is not the approach will not be a very temporary approach, or something like let's get into a relationship or let's just try this thing out. This will be a very permanent thing. Okay, and if it is about a job, I guess you are going to get that permanent job. Must be a government job if it's permanent, but you are going to land that dream job or the dream proposal that you've been waiting for. And if you get any in second half of September, you need to understand this thing, that this is a very permanent thing, and the person that is telling you that they want to have you in their life, they are true, they are very truthful, and the universe wants you to take that offer.